Hey guys, we finally got our hands on the Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra, and there's a lot to talk about. Samsung has made some bold yet subtle changes, refining the design, upgrading performance, and pushing AI features to a whole new level. So, let's break down what's new and whether it's worth upgrading. Starting with design, the S25 Ultra now has a bolder camera housing with a black border, making the lenses stand out more. The biggest change? Completely flat edges. Unlike the S24 Ultra, which had slight curves, the S25 Ultra is flat on the front, back, and sides, giving it a sharper, modern look. The corners are rounder, making it easier to hold, and it's 15% thinner and 15G lighter than its predecessor. These small tweaks make a big difference in how the phone feels in hand. The display remains stunning, with a slightly larger 6.9-inch screen. The anti-reflective coating is back, making it one of the most readable screens outdoors. Durability has been boosted with Gorilla Glass Armor 2, which is 29% more scratch-resistant than before. Despite being thinner and lighter, Samsung still managed to pack in a bigger display while improving durability. Under the hood, the Snapdragon 8 Elite powers the entire S25 lineup, meaning no more Exynos variants, it's Snapdragon everywhere. For the first time, all models start with 12 GB of RAM, ensuring smoother AI processing and multitasking. The vapor chamber cooling system is 40% larger, meaning better performance, improved efficiency, and longer battery life. The camera setup is mostly the same, but the ultra-wide camera gets a big jump from 12MP to 50MP, resulting in sharper and more detailed shots. Videographers will love the new 10-bit HDR video recording and the ability to shoot in log format, allowing for professional-grade color grading. There's also audio eraser, which removes background noise from your videos, and a spatial temporal filter that enhances low-light video quality. AI is the biggest highlight of the S25 Ultra. Conversational search with Gemini AI lets you ask complex, real-world queries, and it pulls data from Google, GPS, and your apps to give precise answers. You can also search for specific moments in your gallery using natural language, like "my dog rolling on a rug," and it'll instantly find the right photo or video. Now Brief acts as a smart assistant, reminding you about important events, traffic updates, and more, just when you need them. A few other cool features include Pro Scaler Tech, which improves display quality by up to 40%, and the Personal Data Engine, which learns your habits and suggests smart actions on device, keeping all your data private with Samsung Knox security. Lastly, Samsung promises 7 years of OS and security updates, ensuring long-term software support. So, is the S25 Ultra worth it? If you're coming from an S23 Ultra or older, absolutely. If you already own an S24 Ultra, the upgrades are more subtle, but the new AI features and performance improvements might still make it a tempting upgrade. What do you guys think? Let me know in the comments, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for my full in-depth review coming soon.